Okay, in this video we're going to be talking about frequency tables, and a frequency table is just a easy way to make a simple T-chart table of some information or some data that we have. So here we have an example of a set of numbers, and this set of numbers represents the number of runs my friends went on last week. So imagine I took a survey of a bunch of people I knew, and this is how many times they went running last week. So this is a nice data set here, but it's not easy to look at all. It's just a bunch of numbers listed out. So what we can do is we can make a frequency chart or a frequency table and help summarize it. So it's going to be basically a fancy T-chart. So if we look at this, what we're really measuring is how many times these numbers represent how many runs people went on. So we're really trying to summarize the number of runs. And if I'm looking at my data here, I'm noticing that people are running anywhere from 0 to 4 runs at the most. So we're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are comparing the number of runs to how many friends ran that many times. So over here we'll have the number of friends. So then if I go back and look at my data up here, these numbers, I'm thinking, okay, this is the number of runs. How many friends went 0 on 0 runs? I have 1, 2, 3 people went on 0 runs. Then how many people went on 1 run? There is looks like 1, 2 friends went on 1 run. It looks like 1, 2, 3 people went on 2 runs. And for 3 runs, 1, 2, 3, 4 people went on 3 runs, and 1, 2 people went on 4 runs. So basically a frequency table is just kind of looking at your information and recording how many of each thing there is. Sometimes you'll even have people will even do a tally. You can see people might do a tally, and so they'll, as you go through these numbers right here, you can go in order, and you could add tally marks. So, for the you have 0. The first number is 0, so we'd have 0, and then we have 3 runs. Oops. And then we have 3 runs, and then we have 2 runs, 2 runs, 4 runs, 1 runs, 0, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4, 0, and 3 runs. So a lot of times you can even do a tally first. A lot of times if you do a tally, you do that first, just so you can, instead of trying to find the total in the numbers, if there's lots of numbers, it can be easy to just tally them up as you read them. And then, there's 3, so there's 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, and 2. So another example, this would be the number of times my friends ate at Chipotle last week. So a lot of times you might have a set of numbers that isn't actually in a list like before. It's in some type of table or chart type of thing already. And so these numbers all represent how many times people that I surveyed, my friends, ate at Chipotle. I have lots of friends they love Chipotle, clearly. So we have 1 time, we've gone 2 times, all the way up to 7 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're running out of space, but so if I look at my frequency table, I'm noticing that how many 2 friends ate at Chipotle one time. So that would be 2 people, and 1 person ate at Chipotle twice. 1 person ate Chipotle 3 times. Oh, sorry, that's 2 people. 2 people. There's the 1 and 2. And how many? One friend ate there 4 times. 1 person ate there 5 times. No, 2 people ate there 5 times. And 1 person for 6, and 1 person for 7. So one thing you always want to do when you're finished is kind of total up how many people there are. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 friends that we surveyed. So our number of friends should total up to 10. And we have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people. So that all works out. And that's how you make a frequency chart. You're basically just recording how many times you see something in the data.